Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I live in the Midwest and we experience all kinds of weather here. So for us, it's really important to protect all of our outdoor accessories. We found this really high quality fire table cover from SheeChung. It is 100% waterproof. We had some rain last week and then it kind of started to freeze, and you can see how all that condensation just sat right on top of the cover, protecting it. Not only is this waterproof, this has UV protection. So in the summer, when we actually have some sun, we can keep this cover on and we know that the fire table won't fade or discolor from the UV rays. It's made of a really durable canvas material. It's got a PVC coating on it. One feature I really wanted in a cover was air vents. This has 2 of them. That just really helps with any moisture buildup. You have drawstrings on the bottom you can tighten for a more secure fit. We do not tighten them because the height is perfect, but if it's a little bit long, you could pull these tight and cinch it up a little bit so it's not dragging on the ground. They do offer different sizes, so just measure your fire table. We got the 32 by 32, 24-inch height. It's a perfect snug fit. So it's high quality, it's really going to protect your fire table, and we would highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.